हेलो गाइस, आप सभी का फिर से एक बार स्वागत है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में जिसका नाम है कॉमर्स ट्रेजर। तो फ्रेंड्स, हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एक नया ब्रांड न्यू सीरीज़ जहां पर मैं आपके साथ डिस्कस करने वाला हूं यूजीसी नेट पेपर 2 के इम्पॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स के बारे में। तो हम फ्रेंड्स चैप्टर वाइज सभी टॉपिक्स को कवर करेंगे और उनमें से कौन कौन से इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स हैं उनके बारे में डिस्कस करते जाएंगे। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द टॉपिक विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच टाइम. So let us see the important points you should cover for UGC NET exam paper 2 commerce. So today we'll go to the first topic, which is business environment and international business. So in this video I am going to cover about what are the important points you need to read for business environment part. Earlier business environment and international business were two different chapters, but as per the new NTA syllabus, now they have combined both the chapters and 10 questions will be asked from these two topics. So let's see what all you have to study under business environment. Now the first thing you need to study under business environment is concepts and elements of business environment. So here we are going to study about different elements of business environment like social environment, economical environment, political environment, legal environment, demographical environment, and so on. So this topic is not so important, but you should just have a glance over this topic because usually in match the following or in statements you may get a simple question on this topic. The next topic which you have to focus upon is economic environment, and it is one of the most important topic of this chapter. So what all you need to consider under this topic? So firstly, you have to go with economic systems. So here you have to understand what is economic systems, and you have to understand about three major types of economic system, that is capitalistic system, socialistic system, and mixed economy. So in this you have to study about the features of this system, who gave these concepts, like capitalism was given by Adam Smith, socialism was given by Karl Marx, and mixed economy was given by Keynes. So you have to understand all these topics, and you should also understand which all countries uses these economic systems. Then you have to go to next very important topic, which is economic policies. Now in this you have to study about two major policies. Firstly, you have to study about monetary policy. You have to study about the basic things of monetary policy, like who gives monetary policy in India, when this monetary policy is given, why this monetary policy is given, and how frequently this monetary policy is given. So you have to understand all the topics about RBI, who gives the monetary policy every quarterly, that is every 4 months, and in order to control inflation and money control in our country. You should also study about credit control measures like CRR, SLR, bank rate, open market operations, repo rate, reverse repo rate, and other qualitative measures to control supply of money. And the second part of economic policies is fiscal policy. Now here you have to go with three important topics, that is public revenue, from which sources government collects revenue, that is direct source and indirect source, mainly from income tax and indirectly mainly from GST. Then public expenditure, on which areas government spend their amount, and lastly you have to study about public debt, that is government borrows from either domestic sources or from foreign sources. So all these things you have to study in this point, and if you can also study about the instruments like budget and tax policies of the country. The next thing which you have to study in this point is political environment. Now here again it is not a very important question, but you can just remember about role of government in 4 different ways, that is role as a regulator, role as a promoter, role as an entrepreneur, and role as a planner. So these 4 things you can just have a glance over. The next thing which you have to study, and which is again very important in this topic, is legal environment. Now here you have to first study about Consumer Protection Act, that is Consumer Protection Act when it was passed, like in 1986 it was passed, what are the rights given to consumer under this act. And you should also study about 3 major redressal tier system of Consumer Protection Act, that is National Forum, State Forum, and District Forum. So who all members are part of national forums, which all members are part of state forum, and which all members are part of the district forum. Then a next very important topic which you have to study under legal environment is about FERA and FEMA Act, as well as MRTP and Competition Act. Now both these questions are asked frequently in the exam, so never miss this particular topic. It is very easy topic and a most repeated topic. The next thing which you have to study is about LPG policy in India, that is liberalization, privatization and globalization policy in India. So here you can study about the features which is very important and which is asked in exams many times, and about some other points like why it was done, when it was done, and some related contents. The last topic which you need to cover under business environment is socio-cultural factors and their influence on business, as well as corporate social responsibilities. Now friends, this is not a very important topic from exam point of view. You can just have a glance on this particular topic. So this was about all the important topics which you need to cover under business environment. I will come with one more particular video when I will give you the important topics on international business. So if you like this video, please like my channel and subscribe my channel, and we'll meet again in the next video. Thank you guys.